Cracker open. Y'all know what it is. We have not done this in a while. Cottage cheese with our wild buffalo chicken breast chips. So I've been at the hospital all day with one of my family members. I'm not trying to be rude, but hospital food is not edible, babe. No. I was watching My 600 Pound Life one time, guys. I'm a food addict. I used to weigh 400 pounds. And one of the patients told Dr. Now, she's like, this food is not edible. I kind of laughed it off. You know how us food addicts are. She ain't lying. It was bad. So, save the day right here. My family member was like, hey, do you want to go do something for a little while instead of just sitting here with me? That's key for, I want to take a nap and I can't because you're here. I went and got my Nellies did. They asked me to get them some stuff from Target, so I did that. And I was like, I have not had my chips and cottage cheese in a hot minute, so we had to get some. Let me show you what else I got. Guys, I haven't had Starbies in forever. I'm just treating myself today with the nails, the Starbies, the protein chips and cottage cheese. It's a treat day, right? It's been a stressful day. Anyway, I'll tell you what I got. I don't do caffeine. Any coffee you ever see me drink is decaf, okay? So I did, I think I want to call it like a decaf iced sugar-free vanilla latte. Is that what it is? I don't know. That's what I'm going to call it. And then I had her do like a cold foam with sugar-free vanilla syrup. Baby, she's delish. I haven't had that in years, so it's really good. And I told her, I like it really, really sweet. You're not going to get it too sweet for me. Y'all know I love my sweet. And she's like, if it's not sweet enough, let me know. I'll give you more syrup. It wasn't sweet enough. She gave me like a cup with that much more syrup, and I poured the whole thing in. And then my family member wanted a pink cake pop. So we got that for them. The girl, I told her no sugar, and then I got a cake pop. She's probably thinking, this heifer's crazy. I am a little bit. Also, went ahead and picked up some more of these Quest protein cookies. This is like my nightly snack. I love these. They're low carb, low sugar, and delish. And I messed up. So groceries are super expensive right now. And I went to DG, Dollar General, the other day, and I picked me up a new bottle of Light Ranch. I left it in my car, and the temperature went from like 30 degrees, and now it's 78 degrees. I'm not playing. This weather cannot make up its mind. It literally just snowed the other day, and it's 78 degrees. The broke heifer in me was like yelling at me, but I don't want to eat that and get sick because it got real cold and then it's got warm. I don't think so, babe. So I picked up another bottle of Light Ranch. I got me some of the e.l.f. lip oil. I don't have, this is like the only shade I don't have. This one's Honey Talks. Has anybody been watching Love is Blind lately? I have. I'm obsessed. So I needed to get me a new pillow. You can't even see it. So I can sit up in my bed and watch all the juiciness. I'm going to head back over to the hospital and check up on them. And hopefully they get to come home today. I just went down my shirt. Just saving a little for later. But I'm just trying to give them some peace and quiet, and took me a couple hours to, I guess, have a little, self-care. See you later.